Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and I want to make this video special for you. Well, for the audience. I'm giving them something special, family. Now, if you notice when you watch the video, you notice that there's a store, there's products. So there is actually the Jam Tours and Peace, Love, and Sunlight merch, family. You can actually purchase those actually t-shirt and cups and slippers, whatever, with the Peace, Love, and Sunlight on it, family. And I just want to let you guys know that when you have these merchandise from Jam Tours, it brings a lot of prosperity, love, and
good
for you
vibes.
Good vibes for you to connect with nature. So I'm giving this to you, to all my fans. I know I don't have a large following yet, but we are getting there, family. And we are making this video for you to go ahead and actually, go ahead and make some purchase from the YouTube store, family. So there's a YouTube store. You can get your t-shirt, you can get your baby clothes and stuff. So I just want to make this public announcement for you, family. The material is like cotton, family. I'm gonna bring some for you here to show you, but for now we just put up the store, and I just want to announce to you guys that if you want to get your Jam Tours merch, you want to get your Peace, Love, and Sunlight African family merch, just click on the link on the side. It's a little product link. Click on it, click on here, and you'll get a chance to actually get some peace, get some love, get some sunlight, and hopefully you can change your destiny, and maybe one day you'll be actually out in Africa living the good life, family, because that's where it all started for me. It's 2017. I made up this song, Peace, Love, and Sunlight African family.
You do know
You know what I mean?
African family.
I'm telling you, I never thinking about Africa families. It was when the pandemic come and I was looking for a place to travel, and I watched Wadamaya video and it talk about Ghana. I started research Ghana. And back then, most Jamaicans come from the West Africa side. So obviously, you really want to actually, when you get the chance, family, you really want to actually, get a chance to come back to Africa. So it was in the pandemic I get a chance when all of the world closed down. Africa was open up. As you know, the coronavirus never actually, affect Africa like that. So the country was open up, so I said, let me take a trip. And see, I'm here today, family. I never even actually went back to Jamaica from that. I actually, I'm actually in the east side of Africa from the west side. So
and the people who also come on the comment section being like, oh, until you left Jamaica, I don't know what thing. Funny, people don't relocate.
Yeah, it's all about you.
And it's all about where you're feeling comfortable.
Yeah, it's all about what you want to do with your life.
Go to Tanzania and feel like, hey, Tanzania is better than Kenya.
Yeah.
And it's all about you, so.
Yeah, 7 brothers, 7 different minds.
Yeah,
it doesn't mean that you're gonna
stuck
stuck in Jamaica because you're a Jamaican.
And also people go in search for greener pastures. So.
Yeah, and I don't want to. And Marcus Garvey said, I'll never give up a continent for an island. But what he was saying in that case, that he will never give up blood-clad Africa for Jamaica. So that's just a statement that most people should actually connect with.
Africa.
Because if you think big, you want to be in a continent that has billions of people. So if you start a business, you know what I mean? If you're in an island with just few little people, millions of people, you know what I mean? It's hard for you to do business. You want to do in a country that there's a lot of business.
Watermelon. Hello, Sasa.
We have watermelon there, sweet. It's not finished.
It finished.
It finished?
That was the last piece.
You sure?
I think so.
I doubt it's really, because that's that big piece that I cut.
Nipe, ngwashe. Unauzaje? Ati 300. Nipe ya 200. What else?
Well, I think that's it. You want to try some okra. In a cream.
We have enough mangoes. I want to go and make some smoothies or honey.
Are those mango nice?
Yeah, they're sweet.
Well, you can try it if you want.
Alafu nipe maembe ingine. Maembe unauza aje mmoja 40. Nipe 300. Nipe 300. Sibi ni customer. Hata ikipa. Sasa.
Yeah, family. So we stop at a fruit stall.
Yenye imeiva.
We normally stop to buy like, you know, grown produce fruits. So this is like our favorite spot. We normally stop and buy stuff here, family.
And you get fresh fruits.
Fresh fruits.
Instead of going all the way to the markets.
Yeah, family. So as I'm saying, family, you know what I mean, this is something.
The others
We
are
have
not
two.
ripe, yeah.
Yeah, they're right.
I think they're ripe today.
Yeah,
Yesterday they were not ripe. I wanted to give you. I have dania, I have hoho. I think that's all.
What are you gonna put in the spaghetti that you're making? Everything?
I want minced meat.
Okay.
I have dania, I have hoho. I think that's all.
Yeah, family. As you know, family, I'm not a fan of meat, but you know, I'm really surprised how natural meat is here in Kenya, family. So maybe I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna go to the meat shop. Is she eating meat? Because as you know, every now and then she wants to eat it. But as you know, I'm not a fan of meat.
I'm really trying.
But if you're gonna eat meat, family, the best place to eat meat is here, family. Because even in Jamaica, the only time you can get meat is on a Friday, and if you don't go before 12, the meat are done on you. All the other meat you get is actually meat from overseas that comes from another country. You don't know what to eat in, family. But in Kenya, family, you know what I mean, you can trust the meat because you're gonna see the man cutting the meat.
Asante.
The goat that is killed today, you're gonna see him cutting it off and stuff like that.
300.
So I'm gonna show that to you. As you know, I'm not a fan of meat, and as you know, I'm into vegan choice foods, and I'm not supposed to show this, but I'm gonna show it to you, family. As you can see, money right here, sweetie. Right? It's not enough.
No. Why did you take that?
Sweetie, must you take it up, not me.
So it's stolen.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, guys, I'm not a fan of. Let me M-Pesa you, no problem.
Asante. Yeah.
Yeah, family. So you know what I mean. Let me actually, you know what I mean. I'll do this video for you, family, to let you know that if you're gonna eat meat, you know.
But in Jamaica, what is that thing you bought in Ghana when we had really?
Oh, bully beef.
Mackerel,
sardine, bully beef.
Yeah,
guys, you don't see,
my stomach.
You don't see these things in blood clot Kenya or in
hurt
Africa.
My tummy.
Well, I must because West Africa is more influenced. West Africa is more influenced by the West, but East Africa is more self-reliant, family. They mostly eat what they grow and grow what they eat.
You see, like, no, that's it's mackerel. Oh,
yeah.
The name. It's meat. It was
yeah,
beef,
and all of these things. All of these things come from a foreign country, sweetie. It does actually make in your country. But in Kenya, if you need to get like minced meat, which is same as bully beef,
you buy
you just go
the meat,
and the man just grind it up for you, same place, same day, so you know it's fresh. So what I'm saying, family, so you know, for people who want to eat meat
and goat here, and they slaughter,
you know what I mean?
Here.
Goat is slaughtered daily. It's not like in Jamaica where it's weekly. If you want to eat goat, you have to eat that weekly. But you can eat it daily here, family. It's fresh from the farm. You know what I mean? So I just want to share this with all
if you want chicken, you just get it freshly slaughtered, Kenyeji.
Yeah, all of this. Yeah, local chicken like we used to eat in Jamaica. In Jamaica, we used to. I remember I grew up in the yard, and the chicken them, you feed them with corn and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
And when they're ready to eat, when they just make a little card,
and it's very tough, but
and you just catch the chicken, and that's how you used to eat it. But nowadays, them have chicken coming up 3 weeks chicken, 4 weeks chicken, and you eat that. Lord,
but then, to be honest, sorry to say, let me bring this up. I'll mention as YouTuber, but anyway, I like her. So Miss Trudy.
Yeah.
I remember when she's comparing food, most of the people don't get her. Please, people should stop misunderstanding. Because to be honest, even me at that time when we were in Ghana, and you bought the corned beef, at that time, I think I was like, now what am I going to eat? You know, like.
Yeah, it was like what?
Kenya, you don't struggle for what.
Yeah, you don't struggle. There's exactly a lot of, and once you understand food,
so
trust me.
What happened? You see, like when she's saying sausages here are nice, what else? There's food. We are not saying there's no food there. And to be honest, let's say like now, the person in Ghana, they enjoy their food. But of course, when they come to East Africa, they might not enjoy. Reason being, your mouth is already used to that.
Yeah, that process and all kind of process. And that's the reason why the sausage might taste better in Kenya, because it's fresh.
And it's so fresh.
And it's actually made in Kenya. Most of the time, those
the chicken we once bought in a certain supermarket, was it Palace Mall?
Yeah.
Something. It was from UAE.
Yeah,
the chicken. And when it's boiling, it's having some yucky.
Yeah.
And so and now me that I'm used to taking a chicken, I slaughter it, I eat it fresh. So you can't really hold me for that.
Yeah.
Right now when I'm going to buy meat, we don't buy meat like it's from the freezer.
Yeah.
Unless you go to those inside butcheries where maybe they've not sold meat for some time. But these ones here, it's super fresh. In fact, when you go maybe in the evening, you might not find meat.
Yeah, family. So I'm gonna go to the butchery and show you what it's like, family, buying meat in Kenya, and why Miss Trudy is actually right about food in Kenya.
Yeah, because sometimes
and that's the thing. Once you're used to something, you can see yourself. Once you're used to like natural stuff, you can it's ready and there. You're not used to going to the buying stuff that are frozen and in the freezer for like a couple of days. Come from another country, months. You don't feel good. It doesn't taste good.
Like the sausages here, to be honest, they are they're on point. Well, back then when I used to, I can't remember the last time I ate sausage. But yeah, they're so nice.
Yeah. Yeah, families, I'm gonna take you to a butchery. That anytime she feel for meat, and I'm gonna go there to buy it for her and stuff. So let's go, family. Let's go. Let me take you.
Today you'll find parking.
Yeah. It's meat. Yeah. How you guys do it? You just cut the goat and just put it in the grinder, right? Yeah, I want like let me have like 500 worth.
Beef?
No, goat.
Goat?
Yeah.
Well, unless you measure the way it is, and then we
Yeah.
You need how many kgs?
Like 1 kg. What is for 1
kg meat.
Yeah.
So we just about 1.5 kg. So that we remove bones.
Okay. All right. Give me 1 kg here.
Oh, beef?
No, goat.
Goat?
Yeah.
No, more than that. It's okay, don't worry.
Yeah. And this goat was killed today, right?
Yeah, that's for
fresh.
Today. Fresh one.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So as you can see, guys, as you can see, our real and natural meat and food is in Kenya. I just do this video to actually show you or real and true when it come on to like buying food in Kenya, how real it is. So that video was for you, family. I hope you enjoy it. Like, share and comment on the video, family. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. Please remember to actually check out the merch and get your peace and love and sunlight merch to bring some prosperity in your life and some peace and some love, family. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa, family. I'm out.